our campsite and we're here at the ramp of the boat.
Alright, is Domingo lying in a bit of moss. The deer love to eat.
You can.
There's a sign. Rope climb. Domingo.
Look at that, it's a really good swimming spot.
Because of the waterfall, but oh, you can't try that, huh? But don't try it here. He's a wild man. Alright, he's making progress. A little bit of progress. And that water is crazy. As we zoom on out, the size difference. How beautiful is that? This waterfall is gorgeous. There's also a few waterfalls, and I'm standing on a rock. It's nice. There's a nice little resting place just up ahead here. There's our bags, and we've been having lunch on this rock. That is beautiful. Is that watercress? Please be careful. Watercress! Where the waterfall collides together, that is so cool. Look at that. That is awesome. That's pretty. That's my favorite part of the fall. Imagine if that broke open. All it needs is like an earthquake and it'll just open up. That water comes from an underground river, which we passed a few waterfalls ago. That doesn't even make sense. He's trying to figure out where to go. That was dangerous. That was crazy. There he is. Woo! Yeah! There we go, Domingo. And it's a beautiful view of the lake. Not a bad spot to wake up in the morning. And it's beautiful. Domingo's still asleep. It's about 9 o'clock. Here he is. Morning, Domingo. It's a campsite. There's a few people here. Ready. Look at it. Nice. Careful. A campsite. That's beautiful water.
Yeah. We found some Christmas trees.